Hi, and welcome to Witchcrafty. Happy Halloween! And today, instead of doing a normal pumpkin, I thought I'd make the pumpkin dog from Steven Universe. I think this would be great for a cosplay and would make for some adorable decorations next to pumpkin plushies. Here's the list of everything you need. The Minky used is 1.5mm polyester Minky, and I buy my fabric in bulk from AliExpress. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and also Pinterest now. It's the second link in the description. The first thing you need to do is take two pumpkin sides and join each side together, leaving the top side open. When you start from each top, I recommend backstitching it for extra strength. When you reach the bottom, join it halfway, then join the other half to the next side. Repeat until all sides and bottoms have been joined together. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Take a long thread of orange string and use a loose running stitch around the top where the seam is, pulling it in to tighten it after every few stitches until you've surrounded the top gap entirely. You can do this over and over until it's as pumpkin-y as you want it to be, and add extra stuffing if you need to. Don't worry if this isn't as neat, as we'll be covering it later on. Once done, take the two leaf pieces and sew them together with the tracing showing, leaving the short straight edge at the top open. When you've completed the sewing line, flip it upright, starting from the bottom. Take both stem pieces and sew them together with the tracing upright, leaving the bottom straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Pin the stem to the exposed part of the pumpkin with the seam of the leaf wedged in and use an invisible stitch to join it to the top. Take 2 of the 8 leg pieces and sew them together so it's wrong side up, leaving the slope straight edge open. After that, flip it upright and stuff it. Repeat for the remaining 3 leg pieces. Pin each leg piece to the bottom of the pumpkin in the centre of each side so that they're even and it stands flat, and use an invisible stitch to join each piece on. Pin the yellow eyes and mouth to the front of the body so the edges of the eyes align with the ends of the mouth, and use a back stitch to join them onto the body. Above the yellow mouth, use the same method to join on the inner mouth. Then, above the inner mouth, sew on the tongue piece. And that is how you make your own little pumpkin dog plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, when you can check out my other videos, I upload new videos every single week. Also, thank you for 40,000 subscribers. You guys are crazy and I do not deserve any of you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you all, and here's to hundreds and hundreds of more free patterns. Mwah! Bye!